Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tiffany here and I'm hitting you guys with another fun style. So I'm taking my hair down. This is on a old Bantu knot out and I'm going ahead and sectioning my front out and bringing that onto the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my hair to the back and get it out the way so I can go ahead and make a straighter part. So that's what I'm doing right now.
You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah, because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you.
And then I'm going ahead and parting the side of my hair first. So I'm going and doing that, and I'm moisturizing with the coconut cream by Bantu. I love this stuff. And then I'm going in with Eco Styling Gel to, lay it down to get that really nice slick look. Then I'm brushing it down, and then I'm going ahead and doing my Bantu, twisting from the root to the ends, twist, twisting around the finger, pulling it nice and tight, but not too tight to where you break your edges. And then I'm just going around and around, and then I'm tucking it in under there. Boom. And then I'm going ahead with the other side, and I'm doing the sides first to make sure it's even, and then I'm going around and around and around. And I put on that Bantu cream to make sure that my ends are nice and moisturized. And then I'm going in and I'm making 4 other sections, making a total of 6 Bantu knots. And I'm just working from the out in. Really simple look. I'm sorry my part's not super straight. I know y'all guys sometimes like that, but I am not by any means a perfectionist. But do you, boo? And there you go. Nice, slick, shiny, and ready to go. Then I'm going out, and you can rock your hair with the Bantu knots in the front and an afro in the back. But I actually decided to go with 2 puffs to change it up a bit. I thought it was a really cute, sassy look. I wanted to try something new and fun with my hair. Guys, on the weekends, I'm having fun doing new hairstyles. So I hope that you're liking the tutorials that I've been putting out. Did a part down the middle with my fingers. I'm not a perfectionist, like I said. And then I'm going around my hair with 1 rubber band on both sides, only 1 turn to get a fuller look. And there you have it. I hope you love it. Comment, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.